Hello and welcome to New Tool Tuesday, a series where we share some of the latest tools and equipment released in the industry. Each week we highlight new tools added to our website, Vehicle Service Pros, to help you stay informed on new releases. This week we have 5 exciting tools to share with you. Our first tool is the TSAP2 from LaunchTech USA, which is designed to streamline and simplify TPMS service by offering an intuitive platform with over 10 different TPMS functions. Next is Streamlight's SL Side Saddle USB, which is a compact, unobtrusive lighting system designed to mount onto hats, hard hats, and helmets, staying clear of essential gear. Our third tool is the Hetra 36,000-pound battery-powered wireless mobile column lift system designed to deliver precise, synchronized lifting through its ball screw technology. Next is CTA Tools' metric hex socket bit set with reduced shank. It's a 10-piece set of reduced shank hex bit sockets, ideal for use on hard-to-reach fixings. Finally, our last tool is the Rugged by Schumacher battery charger and maintainer line from Schumacher Electric Corporation. This line is designed to support both 6-volt and 12-volt systems, offering 1 amp, 2 amp, 3 amp, 5 amp, and 10 amp charge and maintain rates. Thanks so much for joining me today for New Tool Tuesday. As always, if any of these products piqued your interest, just give us a shout on our socials. Keep your eyes peeled for new products featured in both our newsletter and print issues by following links below. See you next week.